In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert image in DocHub. By the end, you'll confidently add images to your PDFs and keep everything looking clean and professional. First, open DocHub in your browser and load the document you want to edit. If the file isn't already in your account, upload it by selecting your PDF or document from your computer and letting it process in DocHub. Give it a moment to finish loading so all the editing tools are available. It helps to have the image file you plan to add ready on your desktop or in an easy-to-find folder before you start. Once your document is open, look at the top toolbar and find the Image tool. It usually appears as a small picture or photo icon. Click it and DocHub will open a file selector so you can choose the image you want to place. This is your gateway to bringing logos, screenshots, or illustrations into your PDF without leaving the platform. Next, click Upload and select your image from your computer. DocHub supports common formats like JPG, PNG, and GIF, so most files will work right away. After you choose the file, DocHub will insert the image directly into your document. You'll see it appear on the page with selection handles around the edges, indicating it's ready to be adjusted. Now position and size the image to fit your layout. Click and drag the image to move it exactly where you want it. To resize while keeping it proportional, drag one of the corner handles and watch how the image scales evenly. If you drag only the side handles, it will stretch or compress the picture, which can distort it, so that approach is less recommended unless you need a specific effect. Take your time and align the image in a way that complements your text and other elements. Zooming in can help you make small, precise adjustments, and zooming out can give you a better view of the overall page balance. When everything looks right, save your work. Click Done or Save to keep the inserted image in your document. This locks in your changes so you won't lose them if you close the tab. If you need a copy for sharing or printing, you can download the updated PDF right after saving. That's all it takes to insert an image in DocHub. Open your document, use the Image tool, upload your picture, position and resize it, then save and download. Thanks for watching, and enjoy creating polished documents with your new skills.